Hello there, we're on the FTSE 100 future here using iTeam Genesis Elite with the medium strength boundary on the 1 minute time frame showing low volumes as price moves short, indicating future price moves being long since lower momentum is being shown on the short side. The 5 minute time frame is saying the same thing with the analysis boundary having not yet completed, so we're going to go for a $2,500 investment here on the FTSE 100 future going high, roughly 18-minute trade. Oops, let's get back in there. Price is fluctuating. We should be in now. There we go. So we have 18, roughly 17 minutes, and we'll come back to you shortly with the results. Okay, we're back with roughly 12 seconds remaining here on this FTSE 100 future trade taken using iTeam Genesis Elite. The instance was when there was a very high probability move to the long side on the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, the red reversal zone was breached, price heading towards the upper analysis boundary, confirming that in the longer time frame of 15 minutes and above, we are looking at a long-term high move. So we took a high-low option with a high focus, invested $2,500 in the price continuing to move up since it had breached the red reversal zone. And when that happens, you shift to a higher time frame, and iTeam Genesis Elite eventually revises the chart if there has been a breach, indicating no more short trades are available for the foreseeable future. So we're just going to wait for this trade to expire shortly and get our winnings in. And why stop here? We're going to let's go for a forex trade next. So I'm just going to select a currency pair at random. Let's go for the Euro USD shortly. There we go, $1,750 profit here on this $2,500 investment. So let's go and look for the Euro USD. Scroll up, Euro USD, open chart. Let's load up the 1 minute time frame and the iTeam Genesis Elite template. Again, we have a 1 minute breach of the reversal, so we need to shift our chart time frame up since this breach indicates that the short side move will be revised shortly. The best way to see where price is going from here on is to shift a time frame up since the red reversal zone has been breached on the short time frame. This is how you use iTeam Genesis Elite appropriately when you see a breach. And this chart is telling us that a bounce off of the 5 minute reversal zone has happened, and we're now heading towards the upper analysis boundary. This confirms that we now need to take a short-term 5 minute trade on the Euro USD. Let's look for a boundary. We do have a boundary available. Boundaries on the Euro USD will not be available until a future time. So the easiest thing to go for right now is a 5 minute trade on the short term Euro USD high option. Let's go confirm our entry point. Low strength boundary has been breached. The red reversal zone on the shorter time frame has been breached. So we're pretty nicely set up for a trade long. So let's invest $2,500 here in a high trade on the Euro USD with a 70% return. Our first trade has already succeeded, and there you see the price rocketing away since it has that upper analysis boundary to chase after. And there you go. There's that explosive move going right through, and we should be coming back to you shortly with the results, save you a few minutes here, and show you what happened. Okay, we're back with roughly 29 seconds remaining. As you can see, price escalated long and then retraced short again. A lot of traders will look at this behavior and go, oh, there's a retracement happening, we're going to lose the trade. No, nothing could be further from the truth. You watch volumes when this happens. When you see volumes tapering off, as you can see below on that short move down, it means that the next boundary below is going to serve as support shown by iTeam Genesis Elite, which results in what you're looking at right now, price retracing and escalating back to where it was initially. And we're now successfully in the money here on this trade. As you can see, that long move continuing long after that short side low volume retracement. Low volume retracements are key. They tell you exactly how powerful a retracement is. And here we have 1,750 again on this 5 minute Euro USD trade using iTeam Genesis Elite to confirm multi-time frame boundaries, taking a high confidence trade very easily. Thank you.